In this video, you will learn how to repair cracks and penetrations. Visit our website for more information, Proguardbuilding.com. Today we'll need liquid flashing, reinforced fabric, and a brush. So at first we need to cover the crack with the GE liquid flashing. Then place a piece of fabric on a damaged area. Make sure the fabric is fully embedded into wet silicone. Add a second layer of liquid flashing. Now let's talk about canales. Drainage system is very important on any roof, especially on flat. Make sure you clear out the copper drains to prevent the leaks. Now use the same repair system for canale. Chemical GE Endurance and liquid flashing are the same, however the last one is more thick and it's curing even faster than GE Endurance. When you are done fixing cracks and penetrations, use GE Endurance if needed to coat some additional area. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to check our website.